Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple and beautiful square motif. It's so fast crocheting, only using puff stitches and double crochet. So simple. I give all the details in the video. I use cotton yarns, but this cotton is a little more thinner from this yarn. Both of them I use 3mm hook. Again, I say I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your watching. If you're ready, we can start the crochet. This beautiful motif, you can use this motif on your blankets, bags, vests, where you want to use that. It's so gorgeous. I hope you like it and you will try that. Let's start the crochet. I use my motif cotton yarns. Its size is 3 and I use 3mm hook. You can see that. I use again cotton yarn. You can choose your own yarn and proper hook with that. We will start with magic ring. I use again cotton yarn and 3mm hook. Okay, first of all we will start with magic ring. Like that, make a circle, grab your yarn, insert in it, then 1, 2, 3 chains, count as your first double crochet, then yarn over and insert that circle, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert again, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Totally we will make 12 double crochet. I count these 3 chains as a double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then pull this yarn tightly and close that hole. Insert your hook top of that chain 3 here. Grab these both yarns, 2 yarns together like that, and join with a slip stitch. We lock this circle. We start the second round. Chain 1. Lose your loop, yarn over, come to previous rows here, first double crochet. Here that. Insert my hook as front post. Then grab my yarn and lose it. 1, yarn over, insert as front post. 2, yarn over, insert that. 3. This is the first time, so totally 4 times I make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on my hook. Pull through 6 of them. Left here 2 loops, 2 loops together. I close that stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, come to next double crochet as front post again here. Again make puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them and close it. Then yarn over and come to next stitch, stop and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. I made here my first corner. Now we will make second corner. Yarn over, skip this 1 double crochet, come to next one as front post. 1, 2, 3. You can make also 4 times. Okay, it's not important. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. 1, 2, 3. Come to next double crochet as front post. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2. Yarn over, come to next stitch, stop and make here 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, skip one double, insert the next one as front post, and make puff 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. 1, 2, 3. Again, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. Yarn over, come to next top, usual 3 double crochet in one stitch. Okay. Now make your last corner, skip one double, insert the next one as front post. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, insert, grab your yarn. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them, and make your last 3 double crochet this stitch. 1, 2, and 3. I made my 3 double crochet. Come to puff's top, join with a slip stitch. Finish the second round. Make 1 slip stitch and come to corner. 1, 2, 3 chains, count as your first double. Then yarn over, insert into the same corner and make 1 more double crochet. I made here 2. You know, we have here 3 double crochet. We will make a puff stitch on the second one. Okay, yarn over, insert the top of the puff and make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the first double crochet from the previous round. Make the second double crochet. I come to do this second double crochet stop. Yarn over, insert the second one as front post again. This time 1, 2, 3, and 4 loops I take. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 loops on my hook. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Yarn over, come to next double stop and make double crochet. Yarn over, insert the top of that puff stitch, make 1 more double crochet. Come to corner, make 2 double. Chain 3, make 2 double more in the corner. Now again, 1 on the puff, 1 on the first double crochet stop. Now I come to the second double and make here puff, insert my puff like that, grab my yarn, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Then make on the stitch on the puff 2, when you come to corner 2 double, chain 3, 2 double. Okay, I complete the third round after turn to you. I complete the round and come to the first corner, yarn over, insert the first space and add here 2 more double crochet and complete this corner. Chain 1, yarn over, because I want to start the new round on the corner. Insert the top of that chain 3 here, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together and I'm on the corner again. 1, 2, 3, count as my first double crochet. Again add here 1 more. I have 2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the first double crochet from the previous round. Make here puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Then yarn over, insert here and look at that. Complete from this, don't forget it. Here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 double crochet. You come to the second corner, you left here 1 double and we will make here puff again. Yarn over, insert the last double crochet like that as front post and make your puff. 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. You come to corner, make your corner 2 double, 1 and 2. I escaped my yarn. 1 and 2, chain 3, 2 or 3, it's your choice. Add here 2 more double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the first double as front post, grab your yarn, lose it. 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Then don't forget this stitch, start from that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 double crochet. Left here last stitch and make here your puff. 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Then make your corner, start with a puff stitch, 7 double. On the last stitch make your puff. Complete this 1 2 3 and the 4th round. Actually, yes, 4th round after turn to you. I complete my round. You can see that I come to corner, make here 2 double, chain 1, yarn over, insert the top of that, chain 3, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together and I can start from the new round from the corner. Now after this round you will repeat the 4th round again. I will show you how you can start and you can make your motif which size you want, make it bigger and bigger. Okay, more bigger. Again we will start, look at that, it's the same as chain 3, count as your first double, yarn over and make here 1 more double. Yarn over, insert the first double crochet from the previous round, make your puff. 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through 8 of them, pull through 2 of them. Then yarn over, start from here, don't forget that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 double crochet, come to second corner, you left here 1 stitch and make your puff on this stitch, insert like that. 1 2 3 4, pull through 2. You remember that we have here 7, here 11, after that round 15 double crochet between of this puff. Don't forget, you will start with, yani after corner you will start puff stitch, then make your double crochets. I will crochet 2 more rounds. After turn to you and how you can close your motif, I will show you. I complete my round. You can see that I repeated totally 3 times that. Again, chain 1, yarn over, insert the top of the 3rd stitch, grab my yarn, pull through all together and close that round. I finish my motif with half double crochet. Look at that. Chain 2, count as my first half double, insert here, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Start from very first stitch, and make half double crochet in every each stitch. When you come to corner, yarn over, make 2 half double. You remember previous rows we make 3 chains. Now I will make 2 chains. If you make 2 chains previous row, you need to make here 1 chain. Okay. Yarn over and make 2 half double more in the corner. Then start from the very first stitch and keep make your half doubles. That's it. I will complete this round and turn to you. I come to first corner again, make 2 half double, this time chain 2, insert into the first stitch, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. That's it. You can join your motifs with make one more single crochet round and you can join that. You see that this yarn is a little thinner than this yarn. This motif is a little from this. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple. Only make puff stitches and double crochet. I hope you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.